Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to What Isn't Search for the Mainland Episode 3. The reason it isn't Search for Mainland Episode 3 is because we're playing a slower speed of light. Episode 3 was lost, unfortunately, so I understand we play this game. It's a free game, will be linked below. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was a little child. Sadly, the little child fell into death's icy grip far too soon. Sad day. The little child's spirit began the journey to become one with light. But the speed of light was too fast for the small and clumsy little spirit. What a poor guy. Luckily, the spirit world is full of magical orbs that slow down light. Slow light, huh? Whatever you say. Collect orbs to slow down light to walking speed so you can finally move on. See how many orbs you have collected. Compare your own speed to the speed of light. As light gets slower, you will start to see beyond what humans can typically see. Look, move, options. I don't think I was meant to read that part, I'll be completely honest. But oh well. I've played this game like twice. It's a very short game. It's free. It's from the MIT lab, as you saw whilst it was loading. Very fun. This is a very educational game, so this is it. There isn't much more to it. We just walk around, funky noises, collect these orbs. The quicker we collect them, the better. But as we collect more, we stop real quick. There you go, you can see that everything's got a normal light's almost the same speed, so it's all normal. But as we get faster, you'll see we can now see ultraviolet and infrared, so things start changing colour. The more we collect, the bigger everything will change. So no, I want it. Oh, there we go. You can see they're now red, and we can now see an infrared, which means they sort of have thermal imaging as such. And this is all explained at the end of the game, which is a nice touch, you know. So you know why everything happened and what it was, and you're never confused about what happened. You're never like, why did that happen again? And the quicker you get, the slower lights gets, the quicker you get, obviously. So, come on, get them. It's actually pretty fun, I'll be honest. It's a good way to waste time, because you don't realise how much time you're spending on it. Come on, there we go. Now, my record is about 5 minutes 30 something, I believe. So if we beat 5 minutes 30, then I'll be very happy. You see, so as we move around, light, everything also changes colour. I believe it's now, I'll just check if, no, I think we need to be walking. But at a certain point we get so much oh, missed one. That's not efficient. We get so much faster than light that we actually can't see behind us. I say faster than, sort of similar speed, to be honest. But yeah, we start being unable to see behind us because of our speed compared to the light. But you know, with 58 things, you can see everything changes colour. We speed up, and I think a bit more sort of reddy colour behind us. It is, the further you get on, more obvious all these effects become. So if I collect a couple more, you can see the sky's a nice red. Behind us is still fine. Almost on 70. Obviously, as you slow down light, time speeds up. I believe it works that way around. Oh, I missed that one. I'll come back to that one later. Okay, come on. Efficiency. You can see there's like this. We're moving so much faster. There's a black space there's a gap in our vision. Come on. I'm not leaving you behind. And we start seeing everything in sort of heat and everything else at the same time. Let's collect this. I think there's just a few left, so this isn't a very long thing, but I thought it would fit into sort of as a filler for the lack of episode today. I was thinking of adding it onto the top of the episode tomorrow, but I thought I might as well get out a video today. It's not over there. Where are these? There are a few over there, I remember that. And I think, yeah, I think these are the last ones. Yeah, I think these are the last ones. No, it's so... The further on you are, the harder it is to control. So it does get harder as you go on. Wouldn't think it was such a simple game, but look at this, you can see it's perfectly straight normally. But as you walk it sort of changes as you go through it. Then behind us there it's completely ultraviolet. Yeah, because we're going so much faster than light. Well, not faster, but you know. Now when you collect the last one, this happens. You become the speed of light, and if I try not to get unstuck, you can see how fast you sort of go, and everything sort of experiences this change, which will be explained in a second. So you don't sort of fade out until you've gone through that gate. And the end of the game. To be honest, not that much. 4:47, not bad. 5:09 wild time. I'm actually quite proud of it. Let's look at some of these explanations. So, make everything as simple as possible, but not simpler. Fair enough. It's possible to reach a certain amount. Right, okay, so, the relativistic Doppler effect, I assume. Light waves behaves like a wave, and with different wavelengths appear as different colours as you and other objects move around. The wavelength of light changes, appearing red or blue to your eyes. Some light becomes infrared or ultraviolet, which your eyes cannot usually see, and other invisible lights sources of light will become invisible. So you can see sort of the top one's infrared with reds and the blues, and the bottom one's ultraviolet with purples and greens. The searchlight effect. This is what we could see as we were moving along. When you looked to the sun, everything was a different colour. Light behaves like a stream of particles called photons. When you run towards a stream of photons hit you and the object becomes brighter, which is why sort of as we walked things got brighter, but then they ended up extremely dark. Special relativity. That was why everything was going crazy, because of time dilation. Something about light and time and stuff. You can pause the video and read that, I assume. And then the runtime effect. Normally light is extremely fast, but if it still takes time for photons to reach our eyes. When you look at something, you're actually observing incoming light from some time in the past. So if you're looking into space, if you're looking into history. So when you look at a star that's 20 light years away, you're actually looking at a star from 20 years ago, technically. That kind of thing. Some acknowledgements, and that is it for today's video. So, as I said, the Search for the Mainland, episode 4 even, because there is no 3, will be up tomorrow. Thank you for watching.